Hi, my name is Katie Ziskind. I own Wisdom Within Counseling in Niantic, Connecticut. You can read more about us at wisdomwithinct.com. This video is about why do teens steal? Stealing is something where someone takes something from a store without purchasing it. Maybe you might think your teen could get away with it. Your teen might be doing it because they want to be cool. But deep down, therapeutically, these behaviors that are very negative and self-sabotaging communicate something really important. So if your teen is self-harming, cutting, has an eating disorder, or is stealing, these behaviors are a cry for help. Your teen has a need of some kind and can't effectively communicate that yet. A need for attention, a need for connection, a need to fit in and belong. And your teen also needs direction, purpose, and self-love skills in order to effectively overcome this crisis that's going on in their lives. Also, stealing is a sign that your teen has really low self-esteem and needs skills to believe in themselves, to realize that they have a good moral compass deep down inside and can get right back on a better path in life. Also, stealing is a sign that your teenager needs emotional communication skills. So what are emotional communication skills? Well, teenagers often don't know what feeling they're having. They also don't know how to express or let go or release that feeling. So that's why it ends up happening. This negative behavior occurs. So through counseling, your teenager can learn skills to love themselves, can learn healthy coping outlets for stress, anxiety, and depression. So instead of self-harming, your teen can have a positive coping skill to replace that negative skill with. Because we're looking at meeting a need. So a need for release is coming from this negative behavior. And so we use art, creative painting, yoga, music, and we even have animal therapy at Wisdom Within Counseling. And this helps teenagers build trust, gain a sense of purpose in life, and have a safe place where they can talk about family conflict, changing homes if there's been a divorce. And overall, we also work with parents. So we do monthly parent check-in sessions, which are like a parent-teacher conference where we can understand what's really going on at home and at school. And our therapists can help implement a 504 plan or learning accommodations if your teenager is really struggling with social confidence or needing some extra support in a school setting. If your teenager is stealing, self-harming, cutting, or has an eating disorder, it's really important that you get therapy as soon as possible, if not immediately or tomorrow, because these things will get worse and progress negatively over time unless therapy is offered. And these behaviors are often not treatable with just talk counseling alone. At Wisdom Within Counseling, we step beyond just traditional talk therapy. So of course you can sit down on the comfy couch and talk, but when teenagers are stealing or self-harming, traditional talk counseling is not as effective. So we offer creative painting, art, yoga, going for a walk outside by the beach to practice self-love, and overall these support lifelong emotional coping into adult years and college years and beyond. If you have a teen that could really use some self-esteem skills, or your teenager has a poor body image and thinks they're fat or overweight or is restricting food, call or text us today. 860-451-9364. That's 860-451-9364. You can also read more about how we help teenagers with self-harm and stop cutting, and also the support that we offer for teens with eating disorders through creative art and painting at wisdomwithinct.com. I'm Katie Ziskind, the owner of Wisdom Within Counseling in Niantic, Connecticut. I hope you enjoy these quick tips for understanding what self-harm and what stealing really mean deep down. Your teen is not just misbehaving because they feel like it. There are a lot of other emotions they need help learning how to identify and learning how to express confidently. And we're happy to help with that. You can read more at wisdomwithinct.com, and hope you have a wonderful evening. I'm Katie Ziskind.